Want to turn off auto-dubbing on YouTube? First, open the YouTube video you want to watch and tap the screen to reveal the controls. Tap the settings icon that looks like a gear, then select Audio Track. You'll see the current auto-dubbed language listed. Tap it and choose the original audio track or any other available language to disable the dubbing instantly. If you'd rather change this globally, open the YouTube app's main settings by tapping your profile picture, then go to Settings, then Captions and Subtitles. Toggle auto-dubbed audio off to prevent automatic dubbing on all videos. On desktop, click your profile picture, choose Settings, then Playback and Performance, and uncheck Always Show Auto-Translated Captions to keep YouTube from auto-dubbing any content. Keep in mind that not all videos offer multiple audio tracks. If you don't see audio track in the settings menu, that video doesn't support dubbing. That's all it takes to turn off auto-dubbing on YouTube. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite YouTube tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.